Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great day. In today's video, we've got the Slash 4x4 up on the bench. Gonna be doing a nice, very needed upgrade. So here we have the King Headz motor mount. It's aluminum, machined out of 7075 aluminum. Very nice quality. Really happy with this. I took this off another truck and got this new bearing. It's a much bigger bearing than the stock, so all around solid upgrade. It helps with stiffening up the rear end of your truck, as well as it helps dissipate heat a lot better back here. So nice solid bearing, much bigger than stock, and this is just very nice to have. So I'll do a quick video of how to do this, and it's a very easy, probably a 10-minute upgrade. So without further ado, let's get in. So first off, jumping back, you're gonna wanna remove your motor, of course. Just with this one screw. Then you can remove your motor, pop it out just like that. Then you'll wanna remove this little cover. Just pull that cover right off in here, and then what you're going to want to do is remove these two screws right up here, those two top ones, and then flip your truck upside down. There goes my motor. And remove that screw and that screw. Now that those 4 screws have been removed, you can just kind of wiggle this and it should pop right off. And then you can pull your spur gear out and the spur gear assembly, and dump your drive shaft out. Next, you're going to want to remove, we've got that screw and that screw, and then one screw underneath there, which I've already taken out. Okay, now that those 3 have been removed, you can just pull it right out and throw it in the garbage. No, I'm kidding. But that's good to keep around if you need a new one on a different car or something. It's just good to keep your old parts. So take your new one, or in my case this is slightly used, but you know, you're gonna want to take it, make sure this little tab for your motor is facing towards the front of the truck, and it's pretty simple. It only goes in one way. Then you just kind of take it, press it right on in there, and real quick we can do I can show you guys how much bigger this new bearing is. You guys can see this new bearing is massive compared to the old one. It definitely helps out. This stock one, it'll be fine, but after a while it'll just seize up and then it tears up your spur gear, and yeah, it just causes a whole lot of problems. So definitely you want to do this upgrade if you have a Slash 4x4. Presses right in, and then you just want to take your same screws which you've taken out and put them back in. And before you do that, you want to take this little piece and it just pushes right in there like that. So take your screws, just screw these 3 back in. Take your center drive shaft, feed it up through here, and then take your spur gear and feed it up in there, and kind of take some wiggling and then get that in. Take our rear section, and just kind of now you can take your motor, get your wires all routed how you like, take it, and now you can set your gear mesh. You want to be able to have just the slightest bit. So here you can see I have none. I'll just take the motor and rotate it. Still not enough. a little much. You can just play around. Now I'll just tighten this screw down. Take our little gear cover and just press it right on down. And then we'll take this little screw and screw it into place. Alright guys, there we have it, the King Headz aluminum motor mount mounted on my Slash 4x4 VXL. Highly recommend doing this upgrade. If you've got any 1/10 scale Traxxas vehicles, King Headz definitely makes some solid products, and highly recommend doing that. It'll save you a lot of pain in the long run dealing with the stock mount. So get rid of this and you won't regret it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.